Garage? Hey, fellas, the garage. Well, ooh-la-dee-da, Mr. Frenchman.
Well, what do you call it?
A car hole.
So we got a slow leak in a tire today. Here's our culprit. She got a little leaky no-no. And, I'm gonna see if it's the bead or there's something in it. The tires are almost 2 years old or so. In the vibrator. The vibrator! With the wonderful 1.8 Corolla engine. Or Toyota. They put them in lots of different things. This thing's been awesome for us. We got it about 7-8 years ago for $1,100, all-wheel drive. In decent shape. Had to do some rust repair. But yeah, it's got like 235,000 miles on it. Odometer stops at 299, whether it's miles or kilometers. So I bought a US one and popped it in there just so we can keep track of everything. Yeah, she's pretty minty. Anyway, we'll get back to her here and jack this sucker up and spin that tire and figure out where the leak's coming from. So here's what we'll be using. So this is a reamer tool. Pull out your nail or whatever's in the tire. You ream out the hole real good. Most times it's easier to do with the tire off. I have done it with the tire on, but I mean, each to their own. And then you got these things. They're like a, I don't know, pipe cleaner, rubber pipe cleaner with like, it's almost like rubber, but it's got some sticky shit on there. And then you loop that through this hole here. And usually I'll cut a half of a half. Anyway, any auto parts store you'll find these. They're tire plug kits. Yeah, save a guy $20-25 depending on the shop that's going to repair the tire. So yeah, hopefully we can get to use these and show you how it works. Perfect. Use my handy dandy air jack. These things are kind of cool. Then it goes up high enough. Check! Come on. Trying to move it in the spot. A little back there. So find some soap, dish soap, and some water or whatever. And then, actually check the bead first. I don't think it's going to be bead, but you never know. And then if I can't find it on the outside, then we'll pull the tire off. Check the back side. So no, it doesn't look like there's no bubblies. So then, oh, the other wheel's not off the ground. Damn it! Did it not go off the ground? No, it did. Shit. Now I gotta jack up in the center again. There we go. Das better. Okay. You gotta be smarter than a lot of the things. Sometimes a lot of the things are smarter than I.
I am too smart. I am too smart. S-M-R-T. I mean...
Maybe we need some better brightness in here. Oh, no, that's a rock. Where are you, leak? I guess you could do a quick visual, and then that way you can kind of tell. Because obviously... Oh, what's that? Bubblies? No, no. Bubbly, bubbly, Eno!
Bubbly, bubbly, Eno!
I don't even know if... Maybe I need a better light. Can't see shit.com. Okay, hang on. This is disappointing, because that means I gotta spend money. If it's the bead. Well, shit. Okay, let's just see. Let's go. On the inside. Do some spraying. Well, I went all the way around the inside. Oh, what's that? Nope. Yes, no, maybe so. It's gotta be so slow. And when it's really cold out, everything's gonna shrink. So, it might only do it when it's really, really, really cold. Could be. What? Actually, I think I found it. Yeah. It is the inside bead. Inside beady. So right there, you see that? Slowly bubbles coming out. There it is. So it is the bead. So whoever put these on didn't clean them enough. And that's our leak. So I gotta take it in. I don't have a tire machine. But if you ever have a slow leak somewhere, that's what a guy's gotta do. Take some soap, just soap and water, and then you spray it all around the tire, and then you'll see little bubbles coming out wherever. But yeah, it's the bead problem. Well, that's about it. Tune in next time for something else that happens. I don't know what, but there's always something going on around here.